what's interesting to me is that whenever I film something, is that, like, for example, those clouds are darker than they look on the screen. And just like when you go to record or even take pictures of a sunset, they're often not nearly as bright,
right,
as colorful. So it can be a little deceiving. But yeah, those are both cool and ominous looking.
Oh, that reminds me of the other part of my dream.
And I believe that is a wall cloud.
The storm that was turning, or the storm where the alien ship was.
Yeah.
Was dropping big, giant, like football-sized hails in the shape of Volkswagens.
That's great. Yeah, that could turn into something. I mean, I'm no weatherman.
It's not moving at all. That's the weird. It's probably an alien ship.
I'm no weatherman, but sure it gives me the willies, you know. It gives me a really weird gut feeling like it could change into something.
Well, this is what it's going to be like when we're storm chasers,
That sounds a little more dangerous than door dashing. I'm not an alpha personality.
You're not?
No.
What personality are you?
Well, not an alpha. I don't feel like jumping in headlong into danger. Or, you know, I don't need the thrill of chasing or being chased by or tornado. I don't mind seeing one, but I'd like to be fairly far away from it and have plenty of time to get away from it should it start to come closer. I'll turn on your windshield wipers, please. I mean, for no other reason than to see. It is kind of weird. It's not really moving. Yeah, right there. It looks. That would be the spot I'd expect a tornado to come out of. Was that hail? Hail, yes. That was that. No. Is that hail or just water?
I think it's hail.
I think you're right. Yeah, I believe you're right. Sure sounds like it, doesn't it?
Hail, yes it does.
Hail, yes. Well, if
You're blocking my ability to see my side mirror.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe. If anything happens to us, hopefully not because I'm blocking your ability to see your side mirrors, but if a tornado should happen to jump out of the sky and get us, I just want you to know I love you.
I love you too. That's a good 23 years.
Yep.
You're not supposed to do that.
What?
Pull over and just
Well, that's old school. That's what they used to tell people. They used to tell people to do that. Don't pull underneath and over, you know, like, holy crap, that's so loud to even talk. yeah. Holy shit, I can see it. Hold on a second, I can see it. And feel it. Yeah. Yeah, you can see them falling. That's pretty big when I can see them falling. Okay, hold on, let me see if I can see it.
There you got one on your back.
Cool, let me see it.
Oh, I dropped it.
Oh. Whoa, got one on my lap now. Okay, let's see how big these puppies are. Holy shit! It's ready to break the window. They're pea size.
It's already broken. I cannot see.
They're pea size. Yeah, this is bad. Yeah, I'm really glad you decided to pull over. Just a second. Wow. Look at that water. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, remember that monsoon rains I told you about? This is when the water stuff from downhill. Holy crap! You see that? See what? Look at that. You can finally start to see the trees across the street again. We couldn't even see the tree over there in the corner. And the pickup was almost completely whited out. Wow. No, I would not yet. I said I wouldn't do it yet. You asked me my opinion, that's my opinion. I'd wait a little bit longer. Look at that, you can see, yeah, you can easily see the hail on the ground right there. I don't know if I can, it was like pea size when a couple of them came in. Well, all right. I just don't want to end up in an accident, honey. I'm just trying to be a good navigator. Okay. God protect us and please keep us safe. Look at that. Look at all this. Let me reach out real quick. Let me just reach out and get a handful of this stuff. Look at that. A little bit bigger than hail, or than pea size. See that one? Yeah, put it on normal. normal size here. If I can get the button. There. Okay. Keep that one right there. It'll melt, of course. Wow.
Come on, guys. Let's work together to get out on the streets.
That's what I meant about being careful, though, because everybody's pretty much in a hurry. And maybe I better have it pointed this direction in case anybody hits us. Okay. Okay. Go join your friends. Wow, you can easily see it on the street. Look at that. Wow, look at all the leaves and stuff that came down too.
We're trees.
These trees are just, yeah. I wonder how things worked out at our house. Got to pause it for a
Just
second.
getting over there. Mobile.
It's getting thick again right here.
In the house.
I know, it's like, I don't know if you guys, if it's hit you yet, but there's a hailstorm coming. Wow, that's a lot of water. Did it hit you guys yet? Okay, it's gonna hit you, and it's gonna hit you hard. Try to get him in right now, Joel. Okay, good. I'll show you the footage when we get home. Yes, that's what you're seeing. It's fog. And you know what that means? It's a very good chance for a tornado. Because you've got hot and cold mixing. It's exactly what you're seeing is fog. You might want to look out the window, Joel. Well, if it comes your way, you're gonna see something really weird. Fog and hail. Something I've never seen together. In all my years, I've never seen this. And Joe, your mom hasn't either. Not nearly as much as it was, son.
No, you're just hearing rain. But I am spinning out on the hail. It's like a freshly gravelled road.
Yep. All right, listen, son, I'm gonna let you go, okay? It's getting louder now. So now it's hail. I love ya.